జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 303rd నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం నైకమాయాయ నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you perform, you do so many mysterious activities. O Srimannarayana, in such a huge ocean, in the center of the ocean, on a small leaf, being a small boy, sleeping on that leaf, having this entire universe within your stomach, this kind of so many mysterious activities you do. Kararavindena padaravindam mukharavinde vinivesayantam vatasya patrasya putesayanam balam mukundam manasa smarami. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Naikamaya Namaha. Om Naikamaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, after Sri Ramachandra Swami spoke, Lakshmana is now feeling ashamed to doubt Bharata, and now bowing his head, Lakshmana is saying that, "Oh Rama, oh my dear brother, because there is so much of army coming towards this place, that is why I said like that, but maybe our father is coming to us to see all of us." Like that Lakshmana said. Then Rama again saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, maybe that is true. Maybe our father coming to take all of us again back to kingdom Ayodhya. Or at least maybe our father is thinking to take Sitamma back to kingdom." Lakshmana, look at that. In that army there are so many horses. All of our horses are very great horses. They are beautiful. And because of that beautiness, how much they are glowing, all of our horses. Oh Lakshmana, look at that huge Shatrunjaya named elephant that is walking right in front of the entire army. Lakshmana, but I don't see such a huge Svetachetram which is exclusively given to our father. I don't see that Svetachetram, big white umbrella which is used to our father. That is why I am kind of getting fear why that Svetachetram is not there in our army. Like that Rama is saying to Lakshmana and also saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, now you please come down from the tree." Then Lakshmana came down. Pranjalihi bhutva tastau Ramasya parsvataha, came down and stood right next to Rama with a bowed head and with folded hands. Now Bharata along with his army almost approaching very close to that ashramam. Now Bharata is thinking that if Sita Rama Lakshmana is going to be there here, if I go along with this entire army, this might disturb them. So I should not cause any kind of pain, trouble to my Rama. So thinking that, Bharata asked the entire army to stay there itself, and entire army he spreaded all over around the Chitrakutam. Then Bharata is thinking that Sri Ramachandra is my king. Whenever whoever goes to king, they will be completely vidhuya darpam. They should not feel any kind of pride. They should be approaching king with all of their humbleness. So also I should do the same thing. Thinking that way, Bharata is now approaching prasadanardham raghunandanasya. I have to, with my appearance, please my Sri Ramachandra Swami. Thinking all this, Bharata asked his entire army to stay away, and he wanted to go by walk. He wanted to approach that ashramam by walk. Padbhyam padavatam varaha. Then Bharata is now saying to Shatrughna, "O Shatrughna, along with all other army, you start searching everywhere for our Sita Rama Lakshmana. O Guha, with your own entourage, with your parivaram, you start searching for Sita Rama Lakshmana. Along with ministers and other citizens and acharyas and brahmanas, I will be searching for Sita Rama Lakshmana. Padbhyam parivrutasvayam. While walking, I will search everywhere. O Shatrughna, until I get to see Sita Rama Lakshmana, name santir bhavishyati. My mind won't be at peace. Ho Shatrughna, yavanna chandra sankasam drakshyami. Such a beautiful face of Sri Ramachandra Swami. Until I get to do darshanam of our Ramachandra Swami, name santir bhavishyati. Shatrughna, I won't be at peace. Yavanna padmapala saksham. Such a beautiful lotus-like eyes our Ramachandra Swami has. Such Ramachandra Swami darshanam. Until I get Ramachandra Swami darshanam, O Shatrughna, name santir bhavishyati. I won't be at peace. Yavanna charanau bhratuhu पार्थिवा व्यंजनान्वितौ शिरसा धारयिष्यामि नमे शांतिर्भविष्यति. हो Shatrughna, such a beautiful lotus-like divine feet of our Ramachandra Swami. Until I get to touch the feet of Rama, until I get to take the feet of Rama, until I get to have feet of Rama on my head, O Shatrughna, I won't feel any kind of peace in my mind. Oh Shatrughna, our kingdom is coming from the generations and generations. Rama has to take that kingdom. Rama has to undertake that ruling. Rama has to accept for Pattabhishekam. When he accepts for Pattabhishekam, when all the great sages and seers are doing Pattabhishekam, when all the jalam, all the water, Pattabhisheka jalam is poured on Ramachandra Swami, when Ramachandra Swami got completely wetted with those kind of sacred rivers, sacred oceans, waters for Pattabhishekam, that kind of Ramachandra Swami, until I get to have darshanam of that kind of Sri Ramachandra Swami, O Shatrughna, I won't feel any peace in my mind. O Shatrughna. Like this, Bharata is now craving to see Ramachandra Swami. After what happens, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, सख्येः सीतारामा. 33rd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yugadikrit Yugavarto Naikamayo Mahasanaha Adrusyo Vyaktarupascha Sahasrajit Anantajit. Om Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Shriman Narayana. Om Naikamaya Namaha. Om Naikamaya Namaha. Om Naikamaya Namaha.